Hey guys, this is Sam with KC Lawns, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your throttle cable on your Scag mower. All we're going to need is a 3/8 and an 8mm socket with a socket wrench. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this old one. We're going to just loosen up this bolt right here. Make sure that you are not loosening up this top one. It's going to be the bottom one. The top one is for your choke. Once you get it loosened up there, you can loosen that bolt up. Just make sure that you don't lose this bolt. And then how that pops off is very simple. All you're doing is pulling that out this way. And then we're going to pull that through. And right now that's zip tied underneath that. Send it through that zip tie, because we're going to be throwing this out. Next, we're going to switch to our 3/8. Now, I have already replaced this once. You'll replace this maybe once every year or 2 years. Sometimes even more than that. Scag, help us out. Make us something that's not going to break. Obviously right here, this is no bueno. Because I've already replaced it, I put my nuts on the top. Yours are going to be underneath here. That you're just going to loosen up the nuts. So you'll be doing everything that I'm doing except kind of opposite. Is that you're going to be pushing down. And we'll show you the mechanics behind it as soon as I get this off. So what yours was likely looking like is that this was straight down like this, and then the bolt was up underneath it. When you replace this, I would encourage you to reverse it. Take this, we're just pulling it all the way through. You can see how that is. Okay, that's bad. Let's put a new one in. Go ahead and unwind your new throttle cable. So when you push this through, is that you want it to be pushed behind that e-brake there, through the zip tie on the oil, through this, and then it'll sit on the top here. And we're gonna leave that there and focus on this top portion here. We're seeing it up from the bottom, and then we're putting that washer right here. And then we've got this other bolt. Be sure not to lose it. You're gonna tighten that hand tight. Then you're going to get that 3/8. Let me get that throttle out of the way and tighten her down. Now that top portion is done, we're gonna hop down here, flex this cable this way, and then we're going to direct it right inside here. Push that right inside here, and then twist that down. And then you're gonna lay it right back where the old one is and tighten up this throttle all the way up right here. And then you're gonna come back down here, and you're gonna pull this back until it's pressing up against this nut right here. I have set the governor. This right here, if you want more power out of your mower, is that you can twist this right here and you can get more power out of it. And then we are tightening this down all the way. Look at that. Simple mechanics, folks. All right, folks, if that was helpful, be sure to like the video so other people can find it. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And thanks for watching.